Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Okay, so now we continue with topic discounting promissory note. Okay, so before this we had learned what is the promissory note and bank discount. Okay, so this one is two subtopic. Okay, so the promissory note can be sold to a bank before its maturity date if the holder needs cash. Selling the promissory note is called discounting the note. The date of discounting the note is called the discount date. The amount received on the date of discounting is called the proceed H. Okay, so apa maksud discounting note? Dekat sini for discounting note, okay, kalau biasanya kita akan ada date of the note, and then we have maturity note. Maturity date. Okay, so yang ni adalah tarikh matang, and then yang ni adalah date of the note. Okay, promissory note can be sold to a bank before its maturity date if the holder needs cash. Okay, katakan holder tu dia perlukan cash, so dia akan jual sebelum maturity date. So this one lah kita call discounting promissory note. So dia akan ada kat sini discount date. Maknanya tarikh yang sebelum sampai maturity date. The amount received on the date of discounting is called the proceed. So kat sini jumlah yang kita terima pada discount date dipanggil sebagai proceed ataupun H. Okay, so for example 20, compute the maturity value of the note using the banker's rule. So kat sini bila dikata banker's rule, kita tahu kita kena divide day by 360 days. Okay, so kita tengok example 20A. A 50 days promissory note was discounted at a rate of 5.8% and the proceed received was 5,620. Okay, so kita ambil nilai dekat sini. We have 6520 which is proceed, so it means that this one is H, and then 5.8 is discounted. Okay, discounted ni maknanya discount digunakan discount rate discount rate 5.8%. So this one is D. Then 50 days. Okay, 50 days ni maknanya nilai T. Okay, so we can use formula H equals to S 1 minus DT sebab dia nak find the maturity value. So maturity value means S. Okay, so you can use formula H equals to S 1 minus DT where your proceed H is 5620 and then S we want to find 1 minus your D discount rate is 0.058 multiplied by 50 over 360. 50 ni bilangan hari sebab dia kata kat sini 50 days promissory note. So you get the maturity value is RM 5665.64. Okay, so this one for example 20A. Okay, dia sebenarnya lebih kurang je yang kita kira promissory note yang sebelum ni, yang apa ni, bank discount semua tu kan. So you just use the formula. For example this one, Sophia received 50 days, so this one is 50. So why we divide by 360? Because we use banker's rule. Okay, what's discount rate of 8.5? So your D discount rate is 8.5% and proceed was received, so H equals to 4893.75. So gunakan this information to substitute into this formula. So buat cara yang sama. Okay, same with C. C pun sama, dibagi 120 days, discount rate 6.1 and then proceed 1140, and then this one 80 days means T. Okay, 3.9 discount rate and 6200 is your proceed. Okay, so you just use the formula. Okay, so untuk example 20 kita nak cari nilai S. Okay, kita nak cari nilai S. Okay, now okay, kita tengok pula untuk 21. Okay, example 21. Okay, still benda yang sama, cuma kat sini beza dia bagi compute the proceed using Banker's rule. So Adham receive a 120 days promissory note. Okay, this one your T, okay, 90. So you need to divide by 360 because we use Banker's rule. Okay, with a discount rate of 9%. So your D equals to 0.09 or 9% and the maturity value. So yang ni dia dah bagi S. S is 6300. So you just use the same formula, cuma sekarang kita akan kira nilai H, proceed. So you substitute S with 6300, D is 0.09 and your T is 120 divided by 360. So you get the proceed which is RM 6,111 ringgit. Okay, B. Okay, B pun sama. Dia bagi this one, your T. Okay, kumpul maklumat 150 divide by 360. Your rate D equals to 0.072. And then maturity value, your S, 12,500. Okay, so just substitute into the same formula. Okay, C. Your T 100 divide by 360, your discount 0.052 and then your S 2300. So you find H. Okay, for D, your T 70 divide by 360, your D 4.5% or 0.045 and your S 3100. So you want to find H. Okay, so yang ni untuk example 21. Okay, example 22, compute the discount term of the following situations using the Banker's rule. Okay, sekarang ni dia nak discount term. Discount term means T. Bukan discount rate. Kalau discount rate D kan. Okay, so yang ni discount term which is T. Okay, sorry, which is T. Okay, Khalid borrowed 1,200. Okay, dia pinjam 1,200 and receive a proceed of 1,185. Okay, from a bank which charge 5% bank discount. Okay, so kita nak cari T. So you can use formula first discount. Maknanya bila dipinjam 1,200 and then dia terima proceed 1185, maksudnya bank discount adalah RM15. Okay, so yang ni kita guna formula D equals to S minus H. Maknanya nilai yang nilai apa ni, maturity value minus dengan proceed and then you get D. Okay, so next formula you can use D equals to SDT. Okay, D ni masukkan nilai discount RM15. Okay, S, your S is 1,200 and then your discount rate 0.05 and your T is T divide by 12. Why you divide by 12? Kat sini sebab dia kata in month. So kalau in month, maknanya kat sini T divide by 12. So bila awak susun balik equation, awak akan dapat your T equals to 3 month. Okay, next B. A lady received a proceed of 4418.57. Okay, so first yang ni nilai H equals to 4418.57 from a bank with charge 6.5. So 6.5% discount for a loan of RM 4,500. So loan dia adalah S 4,500. Okay, so awak mula-mula awak gunakan formula D equals to S minus H. So awak akan dapat nilai D. Okay, bila dah dapat nilai D, masukkan dalam formula D equals to SDT. Okay, but for question B, nilai T ni you need to divide by 360. Sebab apa 360? Kat sini dikata in days. Kalau kat sini in month. So kalau soalan ni in month, okay, kat sini dia tak inform okay, kat sini in days. Okay, so depends pada, kena hati-hati juga kat sini, either in months, in days. Kalau in week you divide by 52. Okay. Okay, next, the promissory note can be sold to a bank before its maturity date if the holder need cash. Selling the promissory note is called discounting the note. Okay, ni yang tadi The date of discounting the note is called the discount date. The amount received on the date of discounting is called the proceed. The proceed of the promissory note are computed as follow. So yang ni lah macam kita tadi, formula dia adalah yang ni sebenarnya sama dengan formula SP plus I. Cuma dia guna maturity value, face value plus interest. Find the discount, D equals to SDT. So yang ni lah formula-formula awak kena tahu. And then proceed, H S1 minus DT. Okay, the diagram below shows the illustration of discounting the promissory note. Okay, yang ni lah maknanya mula-mula awak ada nilai asal which is face value, and then you have maturity value, and then this one is proceed. Maknanya awak nak awak nak holder need cash. Maksudnya dia nak jual sebelum maturity value. So dekat sini, dekat tengah-tengah ni adalah discount value. Okay, example 23. Muslim receive a promissory note with maturity value of RM 1,500 that was due in 60 days on 9 June 2019. The note was discounted on 15 April. Maknanya dia jual sebelum tarikh matang at a bank that charge 12% discount. Determine the discount term. Okay, dia nak tempoh discount. Maksudnya date of the note tu adalah 9 June 2000 due dia adalah 9 Jun 2019. So dia sehingga 9 Jun kat sini. So kita total value kat sini sebabnya nilainya adalah dikata 60 days. 60 days ni adalah maturity date, sehingga maturity date, tapi dia discounted on 15 April. So kita tengok kat sini jumlah daripada 15 ke 30 April 15 days. Okay, then May we have 31 days. Then 1 June until 9 June. Okay, so this one 9 days. So discount term adalah 55 days. Sebab dia discounted at 15 April. Maknanya sebelum sampai 9 Jun tu dia dah 9 Jun kat sini, maknanya 15 April tu dia dah jual note kat sini. Okay, so the discount term is 55 days. Okay, next proceed. Okay, proceed receive, we use formula H equals to S1 minus DT. So your S maturity value is 1500, your discount is 0.12, and then your term is 55 days. Okay, divide by 360. Sebab apa kita bahagi dengan 360? Sebab diberi dalam days. So your proceed is 1472.5. Okay, so ingat kat sini beza antara date of the note dengan discount date. Discount date tu maknanya dia dah jual sebelum tarikh matang. So dalam kes ni 15 April. So kita start daripada 15 April sampai 9 Jun. So total dia adalah kita panggil sebagai discount term. Okay, so you try to complete example 24.